Ever heard the name Lacovia? Well, come with us. Lacovia is a town in the parish of Saint Elizabeth, Jamaica, located on the Black River between the Upper Morass and Lower Morass. It is the longest village in Jamaica, laid out for more than 5 miles on either side of the South Coast Highway and the Black River, both of which divide the community into East and West Lacovia. Today, we'll be visiting East Lacovia on our way to burnt Savannah and finally end in Mountainside. The name derives from Caoban, the name of the place during the Spanish occupation. Following the English invasion, it was called Coby. In 1784, it consisted of 20 houses and was the first capital of St. Elizabeth, being the home of the quarter sessions and petty courts. It was also the home of a group of enslaved Madagascans who left the locality to join the Maroons prior to the First Maroon War. Throughout the 18th century, Black River and Lacovia alternated as the capital of the Parish of Saint Elizabeth. At one point in time, the river was the main transportation route for the parish, as road travel through the dense and humid mangrove swamps was treacherous at worst and miserable at best. The name Lacovia seems to be derived from the Spanish name for mahogany, la coba, as we said before, when the main industry was the logging of mahogany trees, which were floated down the river to the wharf for export. Today, the cashew nut has replaced mahogany lumber as the prime export of the area, and the Black River is no longer used to transport goods to the parish capital. Lacovia was once home to one of the largest Jewish communities in Jamaica, and the town is still of great importance to the existing Jamaican Jewish community today. There are many interesting remnants of that Jewish heritage, including an old graveyard with many telling tombstones. To date, there is no formal site, but do contact the Jamaica National Heritage Trust for more information on Jewish settlements in Jamaica. In Lacovia, the Jewish cemetery falls on the land of one Mr. Robinson, who respectfully maintains the tombs and is always accommodating to visitors. In Lacovia, cashews are abundant, but there is only one cashew. Cashews are grown all over the district, and cashew nuts are the area's largest cash crop. The only ostriches in Jamaica are bred at Cashew Ostrich Park, a small attraction and working farm just outside the village. At Cashew, there is horseback riding, river tubing, and lots of prime picnic spots with a restaurant and bar for grown-ups and a playground for children. Beside the Texaco gas station along the main highway, two grey concrete tombs lie raised, almost in the middle of the road. One is unmarked, and the other belongs to one Thomas Jordan Spencer, said to be an ancestor to Winston Churchill and Diana Spencer. Why these two men were buried here is a mystery, as are the circumstances surrounding their deaths. But just ask almost anyone from the area, and they'll be sure to give you an animated account of their personal version of the story. So here ends the history of Lacovia. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more interesting facts about places in Jamaica that you drive past every day and don't know about, or you've never heard about. Gone.